In this lecture, we'll see how to read a CSV file. So first, let's understand what is a CSV file. A CSV file or comma separated values file is a text file which allows to store datasets in a tabular form. That means a CSV file can be used to store data in rows or columns. Now let's understand through a program that how we can read a CSV file. But before that, let me show you a CSV file as a sample so that we'll have a better understand about this file. So first open Google Chrome browser and after signing in, open Google Drive. As I have saved a CSV file in Google Drive. Name covid.csv. In covid.csv file, the country-wise COVID cases are recorded. And to open a Google Drive, let's click these dots. Then click this drive icon. And here you can see the covid.csv file. I have kept this covid.csv file inside a folder datasets in my drive. So let's open this file. Double click here. Here you can see the data of covid.csv file. In first column, the name of the country. Then second column, the number of confirmed cases. Then third column, the number of deaths. And then the number of people recovered. And in last column, the number of active cases. Now we'll try a program to read this data of covid.csv file. Now here we'll see a program to read covid.csv file. And to read a CSV file, we need a read_CSV function. And inside the parentheses of that function, we have to write the name of that file. So first we have to import PANDAS, as read_CSV is the PANDAS function. Here PD is the alias for PANDAS. So using PD, we have to call read_CSV file, that is pd.read_csv, and inside the parenthesis in quote we have to write name of that file, covid.csv, and then assign it in a variable df. Therefore, when we'll print this df variable, it will display the data of covid.csv file. Now we'll try this program on Google Colab editor. And this is our Google Colab notebook. So first rename this file as read_CSV. Now first take a text cell to make a heading, that is read CSV file. Click this and then double click this and take a new code cell and start writing program here. So first we have to import pandas as pd, then we'll call read_CSV file, that is pd.read_CSV, and inside the parenthesis it will have the name of that CSV file in quote. So write covid.csv, and then we will assign this in a variable df. After that we will print this df variable. And now we'll execute this program. But before executing, we have to do a very important thing, that we have to upload this covid.csv file in our Google Colab notebook. So let's see how we can do it. For this, we have to click this folder icon and then click here to upload the file. And we'll browse this covid.csv file from our local computer. And remember one more thing, that we can save our covid.csv file in our local computer or system other than Google Drive. So now let's open this file to upload in our Google Colab notebook. And we can see that we have uploaded this covid.csv file. Now let's run this program. To run this, click here. And you can see that the data of the covid.csv file has been displayed. In this file, there are 187 rows and 5 columns. And it's not possible to display all the data, but few of them. And in later section, we'll see how we can plot this dataset using plot function. See you in next lecture.